For this problem, we're being asked to use the rational zeros theorem to list all possible zeros. And what we really mean to say is list all possible rational zeros, just as a correction to the problem, of this cubic function. And I don't actually even need any of these to work and give me 0 if I plug them into the polynomial. I just need to get a list. And so my list is going to be my factors of 35 over my factors of 1. And the 1 comes from that leading coefficient. So my factors of 35 are plus and minus 1, plus and minus 5, plus and minus 7, and plus and minus 35. My factors of 1 are just plus and minus 1. So I'm going to go through and take each of my factors of 35 as possibilities for my numerator and my factors of 1 as possibilities for my denominator. So that would mean plus or minus 1 over 1, plus or minus 5 over 1, plus or minus 7 over 1, and plus or minus 35 over 1, which I'll just kind of clean up. And when the directions say enter the possible zeros separated by commas, I just mean write 1, negative 1, 5, negative 5, 7, negative 7, 35, negative 35.